These into that bin. Otherwise, there's the... We're here because we were invited, and we do packing events wherever we can get hosted. We try to do just one a month. If you'd like to host an event, get a hold of me and we'll get you on the calendar.
This is Lodi Christian Life, which hosted a troop pack. Once a month, dedicated volunteers collect donations from local businesses and organizations, even mailed, which end up at host sites, to assemble a wide variety of both non-perishable food and items in 2 boxes for active military.
Well, Father, I would like to thank the Marines for being where they're at and helping keep us safe. I want to thank all the volunteers and bless them for coming out and helping us take care of our Marines and our military overseas and around the United States.
All of our donations that we have here have come from people who have donated them. We are not funded by the government. In 2007, my son Charles was in Iraq and he was hit by an IED. In 2008, my son-in-law Caleb Kopp was sent to Germany, and as soon as he and his wife and their baby got over there, he was told that he would be going to Iraq. At that time, everyone was so excited or desired to help our military, and we had no problem sending out names and addresses and boxes, and people would fill them and mail them. Time went on, people kind of slowed down and things weren't getting shipped the same way, so we started doing these troop box packing events. We send boxes to our troops that are in the United States as well, because I've had military members tell me some of their worst tours of duty are right here in the States because everybody forgets about them.
These go on the lid, so when they open it up, they see a thank you from all of us. A little special thank you.
The January Lodi site, volunteers gathered to sort items by type into boxes to seal for mailing. It took days to collect countywide and hours to sort. Took only a couple of hours to pack and load for postal delivery.
I want to say thank you to my church for letting me host my first troop pack today, and I have my younger kids here with me. This is very important to me because my son is a Marine, and Charles Palmer, the organization, they sent some boxes out to my son and his friends, and it meant a lot to me. It cost $25 to ship a box out. A lot of people that I reached out to in the community, they gave big donations.
Saturday morning, volunteers gathered up in assigned packing stations.
I'm just thinking what will my son like because he's in the Marines. So I'm thinking about him packing this for anybody that is going to get the box.
I could definitely say, as a veteran myself, I would have definitely loved to receive cheeses you can never go wrong with, the Rice Krispie treats.
Those are good.
Definitely the beef sticks, right? I'm sure you can concur. And I just want to say you can still be a hard charger and like pumpkin spice. So even the pumpkin spice is good.
The chewy bars are good.
Oh,
the chewy bars are always a hit. But I'm just saying, there's some gushers in here, and those would have been some good.
The love flowed from the community that saw a need and gives back to their active military.
Filling up every nook and cranny in this box, making sure they've got plenty of love in that box. We love what we're doing for these soldiers. I know that we're making a difference in their lives when they get these packages of love and care. They get letters, they get candy, they get food, books, videos, and I'm sure it's like Christmas to them.
Last box! There's the last box.
I thought we would only pack 30 boxes today. We've been able to pack probably almost 100.
Okay.
Ruthie, where do you want this one?
All right, on behalf of the Manteca Troop Support Program, Charles Palmer II,
and these
this is our last box. We got 100 today.
For the United Veterans Council of San Joaquin County, I'm Michael Cockrell.